Yeah. Na one word ana
war
tokwa akon one bi da because onyum we a wo bo no ma won say e ba beto aba anti peace who promote peace wo ka say no more war e wo ha mateboko matiwe enti na mpese mi hu say ade wo hu word ana ben mic no my
okay
aha
SOMPA FM
no kure mamu bi kakra
wahu kakra che na ya ye hu bi no
on say ye pe
I so be volume was ro wadaruma
on say ye no ye pe north side ho
okay
na ye ho side no nim say ye ben boku kakra
okay
and you know because ana me at the same time no because school was Zabila because it was Zabila
oh okay
yeah and you know that was 2012
okay
13 14 ho nti at least kakra e ba ya de muhubi
okay ti enina enam so awe se obeto enwum afa asumdwe ho
yes ana on say oko north east na kwanduri ne bon podo ho side ho
yeah makona kwanduri da
yeah so na kakra bi ede
ewo ho okay
ni nyina ka ho bi ana me ede ana me imagine say si ade here peace ye here asumdwe
yeah
nti no wasem ede
nti obefa enwum to so ede aka asumdwe nsem actual manfo that's nice nti Zion baby minim say nya odin pa o ma me no papa de to na Zion baby nti also kan hwasem kakra che ye ka say Zion baby a amanfo ti o amanfo so hwe oni hwan
okay na the time we ebedanya me ase say what take me along through here and it was a dream that I'll make it
okay
yes and on say me train me influence
fa mix ebeko
okay my real name hey Yusuf
okay
Yusuf Zion
yeah o real name no when you said Zion baby no one mix in keke
very good
one we are
yeah and then a stage name
okay enti emrebe na wo so hu say wo nwum to achede o pesa o share o nwum to ase ebreben
okay 2013 yeah by then I was in Essex
okay
I was in Essex at Zabila so entertainment time like this
okay
I involved on it
so you involve yourself during entertainment because who say o line entertainment but who go school na course ben na ma se koye I don't know sir because minim say yeah ma of course be se koye
what you go home econs
home econs na Ebanzana Brown Ebanzana hu.
O say Ebanzana hu ya. Oh, and 19 year friend Bernard Brown.
Ba manye home econs.
O say wanye home econs.
Ba mo ka say koye.
O mo ka say men koye.
Ama o papa kura bufu yi.
Bernard Brown. All right. Zion my idio.
Me science.
Oh yeah, science.
General science.
Wow. But minim mostly yeah, mom yeah science no type music pa.
Say in madi.
Na ti mo san yeah music ne kan wa mo timi sua de de.
Yen madi.
Oh okay.
What's science student yen madi?
And the science student they do entertainment and no asan kwese so.
Oh, master. Guess no. Oh, to be frank.
And the girl ben pa na o say so school because me say so bebre o school. Girl ben na o say so school a. O woman o dey catch them your friend say. Ozo on guy. Oba obi e say koye science. Where jai science ne bonyum. Girls ne so am form ho ncha o mo.
Okay, I want say nyum no. E wo mamu.
Oh okay.
Talent.
Okay.
Say me dem nyum.
Okay.
And it was a dream that I'll be a musician.
Okay.
Fortunately, school school I say like I have to put effort on it and then make it.
That's the music.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So after school self-prano, I went to Western region. That is
Wasa. Okay.
Yeah, I went there and
I think they also like music, pa.
Yeah,
they like music. Yeah.
I went there and it was a movie production there.
Okay.
Rivers Film Production.
Rivers. Okay.
Yeah, Rivers Film Production. I went to join the production. That was 2015.
And I think they have Rivers FM too.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
They have production. It is a group of companies.
Okay.
Yeah. So doing that acting, that was then that I met this guy Atemuda.
Okay.
I went on set with him.
Okay.
For just rehearsals.
Okay.
That was my first time of meeting him.
Okay. That's nice.
But then he wasn't a star.
Okay, he wasn't the star.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, like
all right. So you went for rehearsals and you met Atemuda.
Even shoot movies.
Okay, you shot movies with him. So how many movies have you shot so far? 2. And they are out, right?
Yeah, that was 2015.
All right. So let's come back to your music. How many songs do you have out right now?
Now,
9. Wow. 9. Wow. So which one do you like most out of the 9 songs?
The one I like most is Nlona. The title of my music is Nlona.
And I think I have it here.
Yeah.
So let's have a feel of it. Nlona.
The meaning of Nlona is I love you.
I love you.
Yeah, that's my darling.
But it seems you are a love doctor. Because when you started the music, the schoolgirls, you weren't taking it easy with them. And now your music, your album title is also I Love You.
Yeah.
Lona. Music and a love doctor.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, I'm not
Zion Oba, I love you. And you know, those who preach about love, they are not good with love. All right, let's do this. Me need to come back now with that. But nipa me you for ramp.
I don't know. Zion baby, around this later. You are only girl me got him in mind. You are only girl me got him in life. It's not that they think can you be me wife? Give me your heart, give me love. Any problem between us we go solve. Come and give me dirty wine on the floor. Lona, Mbala, Lona, Tigala.
Playing only the best music in the world. This is
Oto ye ube so mi mu, oto ye ube fi manu, oto ye ube so mi mu, Fatuma bebo midiano.
SOMPA Extra.
My baby nice yo, my baby cute yo, my baby nice yo, my baby cute yo. Lona, Mbala.
SOMPA Extra.
Lona, Mbala.
SOMPA
Feel like me put down something. Feel like me put down something. Feel like me put down something. Sugar, put down something. Feel like me put down something. Feel like me put down something. Feel like me put down something. Sugar, put down something. Go down low, sexy girl, go down low.
Playing only the best music in the world. This is
Go down low, sexy girl, go down low.
All right, so go down low. I love you. Sound coming from Zion, baby. Wow. But Zion, one guy's and you type now yeah because my tear reggae, my side tear something like Afro dancehall star. They now yeah.
Okay. Me yeah Afrobeat.
Oh okay.
I'm saying reggae.
Oh okay. Afrobeat and a reggae. Oh okay. Yeah boom. See how him. Person my freestyle kakra. Na ye be drop e onyum bi nso e wa ha. Unse musician they want me mba studio abra. Obeka say nyum na e bo no kra na enya wo dia. Me so me say onyum. What I say. And to them my ye ba be drop my life story. Wow. Enti my no freestyle kakra na me drop na man for hu say truly wa wonwum what I say.
Okay.
Aha.
Yeah. Zion baby again. Yeah. My future, my life story.
SOMPA FM.
Come to think of it. Oh yeah. My future, yeah. My life story. Come to think of it. Oh yeah. Baba God, go bless my hustle. Ooh, Baba God, go bless my
Only the best music in the world. This is 93.1. This is 93.1 FM.
My life story. Come to think of it. Oh yeah. My future, yeah. My life story. Come to think of it. Oh yeah. Papa gone go bless my hustle. Oh yeah. Papa gone go bless my hustle. Ooh, why yo? Why always me?
This is 93.1 FM.
Why yo? Why always me? I never see a good thing in my life story. I never see a good thing in my life story.
This is 93.1
Me
FM.
wonder why you also left the wicked man. Me wonder why you also left the wicked man.
SOMPA FM.
Everywhere me go, I find it go.
This is 93.1 FM.
Everywhere me go, I find your difficulty. Anywhere I go, I never see my future going on. Mama pray for me. Mama, Mama pray for me. My hustle will never be the same. Oh, my hustle will never be the same. God that bless me. I say God that bless me. Mama pray for me. Pray for me.
All right, Mama, pray for me. My life story. Wow. Zion, enyum ni nyina wa bonten.
Patron.
Enti so obi pe bia hemfa na obenya bi.
Obi pebia. So my life story we no.
Okay.
And I'm at my official video.
Oh, okay.
And there wa bonten.
Okay.
But there kano afuna megusu ye ho adwuma.
But omo pe audio ni dia. E wo online on benya bi.
E wo online audio mark obeye there.
E wo audio mark. Zion baby. Zion baby. All right. Enti ye ba Nlona ananyesa. Nlona. Yeah. Statue no depa. Enti ebi obi person follow Facebook, Instagram, fa pages ni mai na fe. Yembra Nlona no subiem.
Okay. To see my page am wo.
Okay. YouTube. Zion baby.
Yeah.
Zion baby.
Ana Facebook also no. Zion baby official.
Zion baby official.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ana TikTok also no. Yusuf Zion 4.
Yusuf Zion 4.
TikTok there hono Yusuf no ka ho.
Yusuf ne ka.
And to o him YouTube TikTok hono mo Yusuf Zion 4.
Okay. I think say oba hokro be hu me ba ho me hu sanya o dressing ni we hu oba say yeah, Zion baby ni. Nice one. All right, enti me ba ho Grammys no. Ma menje wadwen chewe no. Grammy Africa no because all bonum pesa o kwaja abrochi gram ni bimwa
yeah
say ya the Africa there ba odwen ho say
okay Africa there no
ebeboa won
because hey Africa hanomwa because akwai say America ho there no ya Africans no are difficult say be there
you betima anya bi okay
it say nyame bua na say be duru
eba ye die mu a
oh yeah
na say nominations ni be dos no categories no okay
aha na nyakopon bua na say empire bo mu heading a e benya be there
aji nice one enti me samba obiem say ka say good music a oti obi nyuma then na ma jitum say nyumo ide kama pa
okay I think the lyrics
lyrics ya baako
the
nyum no munsem okay
and the organization of the music
nyum ne nhyehyɛ sɛ na wahyehyɛ no arrangement
the arrangement
okay
and so ka ho bi
all right okay fa number my e bia na obi pese so mu ana obi pese obɛbɔ show e wo ne dwumadie bi ase and owia questions ne be call what I say enti ma fa number no my na MC mbisa question na yento aso
okay my number no is 0552 78 83 50 all right 0552 78 83 50
MC bisa question no
the maybe ni nyina ne say I think o mention audio mark na YouTube
yeah
so the make catch and say music ni say we dey abroad emu abi
so trim
obese wi ase teon kana enkofo teon kan o say obiem na o Spotify Apple Music
na ka ho
cause e ho no e diska kakra ba be o say o ka se watch one video Spotify na Apple Music ni boom play no diska kakra ba ubetimi so dey no man ti say e bia wonya nyi bia your brother you know ha ubetimi
Texas ubetimi adi ho dwuma ma kama pa
sa no man nyina and ye be go be fa kwano choose so how to kwa be for so be releasing nyum date so
release yes I think it's very very important
we be number na edi nkomo ba na fe ye hu de be
and the han nye say oba show ni keke oba won say mpanyimfo wo so a o mesan guide o baby a ohia moa kakra say nya moa nyina na yeska moa bi wo ha ye kasa ene akwankyere keke so ho sa na tie enti mejidi say ukromfo nyina hwe ode
of course
ba nya say na o ye lover man o kodru a o kwa ko ye you da bi say no o say na page phone kakra atumi say minim say so no obi ye direct WhatsApp video call